going on, guys? In this video, I figured since this whole coronavirus stuff is going down, I'd take the time to make a point of view driving video of me driving the BRZ. I know a lot of you can care less about this car, and then some of you actually like it and want to see stuff about it. A couple of people actually asked me to make and do more point of view driving videos. For some reason, I don't know why, I guess a lot of people enjoy them. And I guess, I don't know. I mean, I actually do like watching them too. I'm not gonna lie. It's just like only for like 2 or 3 minutes, and then I kind of like switch off the video. But some people actually enjoy like just watching somebody drive a car, I guess. And I feel like these videos are a lot more entertaining when it's a manual and when a car has an exhaust on it. But I'll crack a window open. Sorry that I wasn't able to get the exhaust mic'd up. At least, you know, now I'm trying something different. I have a camera set up so I can show you guys my my footwork at least, so you know you can get a taste of that. So I thought that would be really cool and entertaining and fun to watch. I don't know how much the bottom camera is shaking. If it's shaking a lot, I mean, I'm sorry. We're gonna see how the video comes out. I'm pretty sure it should be okay. It's in a really weird spot. I feel really weird with my camera in between my legs like that, so I feel like, you know, it might affect my driving a little, but I should get used to it. I mean, it's really like in a perfect spot where it's not bothering my legs at all, so that's always cool. But yeah, I thought I'd make this video talking about you know, everything that's going on in the world right now, and like I thought this would be a cool way to just talk and like drive and just hang out and chill. And if you guys enjoy these kinds of videos, let me know, because like I'll start doing them a little bit more. The audio might be bad because, well, my GoPro's right here, so that's one thing. And then my microphone's in a really like weird spot right now because of you know, how it's sitting. And yeah, so sorry if the audio sucks. Still, like, you know, working out the kinks and stuff, but yeah guys, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm just gonna drive a little and you guys can sit back, enjoy and watch. Oh man. Kill. Oh man. Kicking the rear end out in this car is so easy and so fun. Like, it's literally the funnest shit ever. Cheap Japanese car, I feel like this car can really take a beating, I'm not gonna lie. So I honestly don't know where I am. I mean, this is obviously my new neighborhood, so like I'm trying to learn like new places and stuff about it, but like for the most part I really don't know where all the fun roads are at and stuff. And I was thinking about driving back to my old neighborhood to make this video, but I don't know. I feel like a highway drive in this car is gonna be the most boring thing on planet Earth, because this car is not a straight line car, so like it's just gonna be me driving like normal human being speed limits, and where in turns I can get away with like driving the car to its limit, and then if you look outside I'm barely going fast. So it's like, that's the fun of this car. Like, you can really use like all the power it has because there's such minimal power that you can really like push the car to its limit and still, like, you know, not get in trouble with cops and stuff. And I'm talking just in terms of turns and shit. Well, obviously when I'm taking turns and I'm sending it, obviously that'll get me in trouble, but like, I don't know, I feel like since it's so dead in New York City now, it's like, it's pretty chill. You know, cops aren't really that annoyed with people speeding. I've been driving like 70, 75, and 55 limits, and cops are literally doing nothing. I'm driving by cops and they do literally nothing, so yeah. Wow, this is a nice neighborhood. it's like a zombie apocalypse. So fun. So fun. Like, people hate on this car so much, and they don't realize how much fun I have driving it. Like, I'm not always doing this every second, but like, obviously the GoPro and everything that's being here right now, I want to do like fun stuff to make it look more entertaining, but like, trust me, I have a lot of fun with this thing. Wow, I didn't even know it was a TD Bank here. That's good to know. I don't have to keep running back to the old neighborhood to go to a TD Bank. Is it open? I doubt it. I think all banks are, I mean, banks are essential, but some TD banks and other banks are closed, like, and you have to go to like big locations to like get shit done. But like it could be way better. Yeah, it's definitely nimble. It's like really responsive, but once it has less body roll and it's a little bit lower to the ground, like it'll really corner really well. Like I'm excited to see how this thing's gonna corner when I put it on coilovers, and then also when I get like 265s all around, like that'll be so sick. I think I'll have more than enough grip, and I'll be able to drive this like an actual go-kart. I look crazy with this GoPro on my head, but do it for the vlog. I thought that ambulance was a cop. Why are you scared, bro? Why are you scared? Wow, that's a Techno Violet E36 M3. That is crazy. Oh no, that looks like Daytona actually. That's crazy. Wow. That's freaking nuts. I'm literally, this is gonna be the first time I'm going down this road. I have no idea where I am. If these roads weren't so shit, like these roads, these turns would be really nice. But there being potholes here is not helping anything. School zone. I don't know. Guys, I think I'm done hooning. I feel like in my new neighborhood, I can't, you know, hoon as much. I mean, yeah, in my new neighborhood because like it's a much nicer neighborhood and like I don't want to, you know, piss my neighbors off and shit. And also there's cops, there's way more cops in this neighborhood than there was in my old neighborhood. In my old neighborhood, I could send it like every turn. But like here you gotta be a little bit more careful and stuff, so like, you know, I'm just gonna quickly get out of the car, make sure everything's okay, because, you know, I don't know, just want to make sure everything's okay. And then I'll end the video off, but, oh god. I feel like I need new end links because, well, I mean, it's not even that I feel, it's because when we tried to install my coilovers, where the hell is it? Yeah, that end link looks so messed. I don't know. Whew. Yeah, that was fun. I'm definitely gonna need tires soon if you couldn't tell. But yeah. Sheesh. I can't wait to lower it and have coilovers. But yeah guys, that pretty much does it for this video. So thanks for all of you that tuned into this. I appreciate you a lot. And enjoy your quarantine. Stay home everybody, don't be stupid. Stay safe. If you're gonna go out, you know, one way, cool way to hang out with the quarantine if you have a car, just go out for a drive, you know, just be by yourself, go for a little drive, put some music on, chill, hang out, and drive with your windows up or whatever. I mean, if you feel like, you know, to be extra safe. But yeah, don't do anything I wouldn't do. Yeah. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Peace.